confirmed and be promoted.
Jatend migao mar pur Sirkal Linturi okoni piny owacho oseketo okenge mag kedo kod tim mar golo chiemo e pinje maoko ka ikelo e pacho ka. Kolos Mombasa romo mar jotend migepe mag pur mawuok e counties duto ma pacho ka, Linturi oluwo ni sirkal osebedo ka tiyo kod bilion 600 e golo chiemo e pinje maoko ka ikelo chiemo e pacho ka, kendo koro dwaro maduong' en ni mondo ojiw jopur ma pacho ka e jiwo keyo margi. Linturi bende okoni chenro mar chwalo ne jopur mbolea osejiwo keyo ka e higa achiel kende jopur ne oyudo keyo maloyo gunde milion 61. Maloyo jopur milion 1 igeno ni dhi yudo kony mar bilion 100 ma ogol kod bengi maduong' mar piny mangima.
We have observed 80% of our funding in agriculture is coming from the World Bank, and that is not a very sustainable model. We need to increase our own funding.
A lot of these projects that the World Bank has sponsored have actually happened in 45 counties in this republic. And there's a lot of transformation. The World Bank team was in Bungoma recently to check what has happened. And I agree that there's a lot of transformation, and we're looking forward to even more collaboration.
But out of these projects, we've been able to touch the lives of 1.5 million farmers directly. And as we move forward, the other projects where the bank has also committed another $450 million to support other projects that go towards in meeting our food and nutritional security requirements of this country. And our next phase now is now to get to the involvement of beyond 5 million farmers through this